In today's video, we're going to look at how to get instantly approved on Ezoic. So I made a new site and submitted it to Ezoic and immediately got approved. So I'm going to show you the steps that you take to get your site also approved on Ezoic. As you can see, the site was eligible to join Ezoic, and then also after that we set up Google Ad Manager. And here the welcome email immediately when this site got approved. So this is the site. Let's look at it. It is just a blog site and it is hosted on blogger.com with a custom domain, davimba.com. So the first thing you need to do to get approved on Ezoic is to create at least 15 posts. So in this site I had 20 of them, and yeah, I was posting for about 2-3 months. So you need to have at least 15 posts, and also you have to work on our website navigation, which is element number 2. So make sure you create a menu and also create categories, and also those categories should be related. For example, this is a tech site, so all articles on my site are related to tech. That means that proves authenticity and that I actually know what I'm talking about. Don't just have a site where you talk about vehicles, you talk about anything else. When content is mixed, that will be regarded as low value content. Then format your posts correctly, make sure the posts are related. Yeah, so create categories and make sure that you have at least 4 to 5 posts in each category. And also do not place one post in multiple categories. Even if it looks like this post can belong here and here, make sure it only appears in one, which is best for it. When you include posts in multiple categories, they will regard that as duplicate content. So do not do that. Just have your menu with categories and make sure that those categories are related, and in each category have at least 4 posts. And do not place one post in multiple categories. Okay. The other thing you have to set up is the legal pages. So make sure you have an about us page, contact us page where people can actually contact you, a disclaimer or terms and conditions if applicable to your site, and also a privacy policy. Make sure you have a privacy policy showing which kind of data you collect. If not, just disclose that you do not collect any user information. You can add your social links, that is completely optional. Yeah, and that is it. Just make sure your site looks good, it is navigable, the navigation is on point, and it is responsive for both web and mobile. For example, this one, if you were to just open it on a smaller screen, it would be fine with the menu. So make sure it is a good looking site and should be functional, should be online. Yeah, that is it all. That is all you need to get approved on Ezoic. And after that, you go through the Google Ad Manager approval, which also takes up to 2 weeks. So yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing.